Hello, my name is Andrew Young, and today we're going to be discussing topics about anatomy. This is my week 2 video submission, and I'm currently taking an 8-week online course with Los Angeles Pacific University. They are a brother and sister school to Zusa Pacific University, and I'm looking to go into their high desert program once I'm finished with all my prerequisites. So, the structures we're going to be discussing today are the epithelia, the connective muscles, and nerve tissues. So I found those all to be very interesting, and I found myself more into the what was it, the epithelia, I think, or no, I'm sorry, it was the nerve system, about the spinal column and the brain. Well, basically the central nervous system and the peripheral. I was interested in learning about that and their different functions. But let's start off with the structure of the epithelia. So they have six structures that make up the six different types that make it up. It's simple. One of them is simple, like squamous epithelia. The other one is simple columnar epithelia. The other one is simple cuboidal epithelia. And then they have, what was the other ones? Stratified squamous epithelia, stratified cuboidal epithelia, and then stratified columnar epithelia. And those basically all make up the function. They form our external skin. They the lining of our mouth. So that's interesting. They our whole digestive tract. I believe some hollow organs and the heart, the lungs, the eyes, the ears, and the ventricle system of the brain. And I found that it's very important system or structure of our body because it helps make a lot of our functions. You know what I mean? From the heart, skin, lungs. That's awesome. The next one is the nervous system. I found this one really cool because it basically, you have two parts of the nervous system. You have the peripheral nervous system and the central nervous system. I thought the central nervous system was interesting because it only consists of the brain and the spinal cord, and then the peripheral nervous system consists of nerves. I believe they're enclosed in like a bundle of fibers, and and I thought that was interesting because the way our whole nerves are set up to be separate, but yet they're all connective. And then the last one was the structure of the muscle tissue, I believe. And the muscle tissue, I want to say, was mostly talking about let's like right here, your connective muscle. It's part of your skeletal muscle, I believe. And I didn't really understand this one too much, but I want to say that you have your how do you pronounce it? I forget. Endomysium. It's how do you describe it? It's kind of like the tissue that it's like the connective tissue that surrounds each muscle fiber in like the cell basically. And then you have another one that's like the per permidium, or I'm sorry, I'm learning all this, so it's very hard. But it's the inner circles. It's a group of muscle fibers forming a fascicle, and then we have tendons, and then you have, this. I didn't really understand this one too much, but I get a good overall view. But I do want to get more into it, so I'm gonna sign off right here and try to review more and see where this goes. So to the rest of my class, good luck, and I appreciate all the hard work and the good discussions. Keep up the good work, and let's, next week, keep it up.